Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today I'm gonna show you this McDonald's restaurant from Playdoh. So here's the McDonald's restaurant. Here's where we're gonna make our bun, hamburger, and chicken nuggets. Here's where we can make French fries. You just lift this part, put in the Play-Doh, and get your French fries out. We have other shapes. We also got a little case for our chicken nuggets, sundae cup, and here's where we're gonna put the French fries. First, we're gonna make the bun for our hot dog and one chicken nugget. Let's see how this comes out. Just press it down really good. One chicken nugget, and the bun. Looks pretty good. We just removed the extra Play-Doh from the sides. And it's done. Hamburger. And one more chicken nugget. And there we have our own Big Mac. We also have one order of chicken nuggets. Well, let's make some French fries. Here it comes. Now we stop, cut, and keep pressing. Cut again. Let's see how much more we can make. Whoa, that's a lot of French fries. And then we serve. We have a customer. One chocolate sundae, please. Okay, chocolate sundae coming up. Here's your chocolate sundae, Mater. Still need a straw, so let me make you one. Wow, that's just what I wanted. Delicious. May I have a cookie, please? Sure, Cookie Monster. I'll make you a cookie. Chocolate chip? Yeah. One chocolate chip cookie coming up. Here's the cookie. And now we're adding the chocolate chips. Here you go, Cookie Monster. Cookie! Looks like Mater is sharing his sundae with Barbie. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.